Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. Usually, when markets make a very big move on one day, the following day markets are likely to consolidate. So this is especially when the markets are making a big move without any corresponding news. Say for example, yesterday Nifty shot up. There was no corresponding any macro news. And people saying that, RBI, giving big dividend to government was the reason. But, that is not a material news. Corporate profitability is not going to increase anyway. Because the government is getting more money, the government may be spending more money for infrastructure development, this and that, But all that, does not work now because, we don't know whether the same government will continue or another government will be coming in. So this is a parliament election uncertainty is there. So therefore, this is not a material news. And in fact, how many of you know, just before the election in 2019, also the same thing happened. As of that time, that was the biggest payout by RBI in 2019. But the markets did not rally in 2019. So many people were predicting, see the job of the analyst, if the market goes up, they have to give some reason. Market goes down, they have to give some reason. What is coming to their mind, they give. But in fact, what I am thinking, the people were heavily short. When the people are heavily short, they will maintain the short position only as long as there is some uncertainties, which can turn either way. Once the events are over, uncertainties are over, they might start covering their shorts. So probably the Fed minutes, UK inflation data, and then Nvidia results. Again, one may argue what Nvidia result has got to do with India. But now Nvidia is the darling of the world market, stock market investors. Last year from $100 to now it is $1,050, more than 10x return in 1 year. And just now my friend told me, I was telling him, earlier, when Nasdaq goes higher, the IT stocks used to go higher here. But nowadays, no matter where Nasdaq goes, it goes to all-time high almost everyday basis. But our IT stocks keep going down, and today also our IT stocks are down. And my friend told me, look at the profit margin. Nvidia is a manufacturing company. Their profit margin is 80%. And Infosys is a service-oriented company. Their profit margin is only 20%. Right? So now Nvidia is the third largest company in the world. So that is having some kind of impact everywhere. So the people decided to cover their shorts. Short covering rallies are always like this. Very fast and furious on the higher side. So as expected, the markets consolidated today, but Bank Nifty has outperformed just because of HDFC Bank. In the last 1 month, HDFC Bank is down by 100 rupees, then up by about 70 rupees. Another 30 rupees is still there. That's what today morning I mentioned, Bank Nifty is still 1000 point away from its all-time high. Imagine what would happen. With that hope only, people are buying the call options. 23,200 call option was trading around 100 rupees today. Right? We have only 4 more trading sessions. But however, the broader markets, not looking very good. IT stocks were down. ITC was down. ITC is down because the first 2 letters is IT. Right? That's because the results were not impressive. And, Adani Enterprise, it was volatile but closed lower, right? Adani Enterprise may be coming to Sensex. If that comes to Sensex, it's a matter of time that will be coming to Nifty. I think now it's only Adani Port is in Nifty, not Adani Enterprise. Right. So, yesterday, on top of, the short covering, FIIs were net buyers to close to 5,000 crores. But today, they've turned the table and today they've sold for about 1,000 crore. and the domestic institutions have bought for more than 2000 crores. So markets, we have only 4 more trading sessions. The big moves are over. There are no more news except the parliament election news, but that will be in the month of June. So people are expecting some kind of a consolidation. So that's why I see that today many people are taking 23,000 short straddle. And the combined premium is about 300 rupees. So which means that these people are not expecting more than 300 point move on either side. Right? So ITC down, IT stocks down, Bank Nifty outperformance. So that's the summary today. Surprisingly, India VIX is still keep going higher, right? So one of the reasons, as I told you already, India VIX is calculated based on 1 month option premium. As more and more, June month series, started trading actively, so that will be factored in. So even the current month option premium collapses also, the India VIX will not collapse because India VIX is calculated by taking the next 4 weekly expiry options. Yeah. So anyway, so as I told you, markets, I would say it is slightly at the euphoric stage, right? There is no reason for the markets to be so euphoric just ahead of such a big uncertainty, that is parliament election. So as I always say, hedge your positions and, so like I suggested, you buy a 23,000 put and sell 25,000 call to finance that. So that will give you only protection for your portfolio at 0.5% expenses. 0.5% is nothing, but you will regret if the market crashes for one or the other reason. And then if you are a trader or investor, if you have already offloaded, wait for an opportunity. Who knows? Nifty has shot up from 19,000 to 23,000. 4,000 point rally. This 4,000 point rally is because people are expecting BJP to win. So even if BJP wins, that has already factored in. That is why the Nifty has shot up from 19,000 to 23,000. So the upside potential may not be very high. 2014 also, after the BJP win, on the day of the election result, Nifty was oddly 1% higher. And 2019, Nifty was oddly 0.5% higher. Right? The VIX collapsed, premiums collapsed. Right? Many people, call, if that happens, you don't make money. When something is expected, what happens is much more than expected. And then you will make money. So I'll just give a comparison. Okay. Now the expectation is that, the BJP may get about 280 to 300 seats or NDA, whatever it is. Okay. This is the expectation. So if BJP wins, if they get 300 seats, you will not make money if you buy an option. Let us say if they get 400 seats, they get 2/3 majority. Once they get 2/3 majority, they can do many other things that normally which they cannot do. Because some of the constitution changes, you need 2/3 majority. So then, market will shoot up. If you buy a call option, you will make money. So always remember, if what is expected, if that is being delivered, option buyers will not make money. What is expected, if the delivery is much better than the expectation, then only the option buyers will make money. So don't buy any option, but you buy a put option just to protect your portfolio. So anyway, today is Friday. So this is a time for party, especially tomorrow also I'm free because last 2 weeks I had a workshop, but this Friday, this Saturday, Sunday, I'm free. So time to party. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.